Hi friends, so this video shows how to create virtual env for Python 3. So first we need to install pip3. So we can install pip3 for Python 3 using this command. Just execute this command. This will install pip3. So after that we can just run pip3 -v. So we can find where it actually installed pip3. So then install virtualenv using pip3. We can run pip3 install virtualenv. You can see that it's installing virtualenv for Python 3. Okay, done. So let me check where it actually installed virtualenv and which Python 3 location also we need to find. So next I am going to create a virtual env for Python 3. So for that we can run this command virtualenv -p, then the location of Python 3, then the name of the virtual environment, for example my env. So this create a virtual env for Python 3. I think it's created, you can see. Let me enable it, my env. So before enable, we type Python, simply type Python 3. You can see by default it's opening Python 2.7. We close it, then activate the virtual environment which I created. Okay, then type Python. We can see it's showing Python 3.6.8. So this way we can create a virtual environment for Python 3.